Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix secure folder is not opening after update in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57, you're facing the issue that your secure folder is not opening after update. So let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can try to go to settings app here, and once you are in settings, just scroll down, go to apps section here, click on this start icon, enable the show system apps here, go to search for secure folder, and you will get secure folder here. Click on it, click on clear cache and storage section, click on clear cache. You can also try to clear data of your secure folder, but the very first I recommend you to clear cache and then retry before you clear data. But after clearing cache, if you're still facing the same issue, you can try to clear data. But after clearing data, if you still might get the same issue, go back from here, click on this force stop option, click OK. It will forcefully stop your secure folder. Once I've done this, scroll in control center, click on this power icon here, click on restart, and click on this icon again. It will make a restart your phone, and once your phone has been restarted after forcefully blocking your app, you might get your issue might be fixed, and now after this you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.